Good evening, my name is Joao Sebastián Fuentes. I am of the group 1154, a student of the program of Industrial Engineering. Next, I will present Task 4. Let's talk. English V1. What are the most visited places or tourist attractions in your city? Some of the most visited tourist places in Bogota are Monserrate, the Botanical Garden, and Simón Bolívar Park. Did you spend much money in your last trip? Was it a fair amount? No, I didn't have to spend a lot of money. I really think it was cheap. What What is the most unknown food you have tried on a trip? The most unknown thing I have eaten have been the cubios. Do you prefer regular tourism or ecotourism? Mention two advantages or disadvantages of them based on your opinions. I prefer ecotourism since it is possible to share with nature and at the same time take care of it. What was the cheapest place you visited in your city? The cheapest place I have visited have been museums. Thanks very much.